Hi, I'm Alex Robinson. I'm the Head of Product Development for Training at the NIC EIC, and I started my career at Coleg, Cambria. So I originally enrolled on a level 2 course at Yale, as it was, the now Bersham Road campus, and that helped me secure an apprenticeship with a local contractor where I was able to hone my craft, working in an environment very much like this to develop the skills that took me out into the industry. And actually, one of the projects that I did work on was the construction building here at the Deeside campus. I had a successful career as an electrician, working on everything from rewires through to big production lines at Magellan Aerospace in Wrexham and everything in between. I then progressed into education and actually worked as a lecturer back at the Bersham Road campus with all of the former lecturers that I had that then became colleagues. So really grateful to them for not only mentoring me to become an electrician, but then the next phase of my career in education. I joined the NIC EIC in 2021 as a technical training developer. So that allowed me to take my knowledge and experience from on the tools, on site, and my experience in education and develop sector-leading training for electricians to progress their skills and their careers. I spent a short time with EAL, which is an awarding organisation, which many of you studying in Wales, your building services qualifications will be awarded by them. So I was their lead technical advisor for building services. And then more recently, I rejoined NIC EIC in a senior leadership role. So my biggest piece of advice is remembering, the classroom is really important, but electricians aren't made in the classroom. You're going to need that workplace experience to really hone the skills that you're developing in the classroom and the workshop environment, and also just to keep that continuous learning going even once you qualify. If you're hoping that this is the last time you're going to sit in the classroom, then if you want to progress with your career and go on to do bigger and better things, then you do need that lifelong learning journey.